Hey friends, welcome back. So today I'm going to make a bag charm. You may already know my cat, Peep, if you've been watching the channel for a little while. This is my sweet guy. He's been in and out of shot for quite a while now. And when I say I'm obsessed with my cat, I am not joking. So I have a briefcase that I use for uni and work and all that sort of stuff. This guy. So today I'm going to make a bag charm for it using my cat's paw, and I'll show you what I mean very shortly. So today we're going to jump straight in and we're going to do that. This guy. So today I'm gonna make a bag charm for it using my cat's paw, and I'll show you what I mean very shortly. So today we're gonna jump straight in and we're gonna do that. Thanks for watching, guys. I really enjoyed making this thing, and yes, you could do it without using the cat's actual print. Yes, you could do that. I can't draw, I can't use Illustrator, as you've probably seen, so the easiest way for me to do it was to print his paw. So that's exactly what I did. You can use this technique to make pretty much any bag charm you want to make. It's super easy. You can design something on Illustrator or Photoshop, or print out a picture and use exactly this technique to make yourself your very own bag charm. I love it. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what else you want me to make, and I'll see you next time.